This is Srijana, PGT Bioscience from Duggondi. In our previous class, we have discussed about pests which are attacking on the cropland. Today, we are going to learn about controlling pests and pest controlling practices. Whenever farmers observe diseased plants in his cropland, what he will do? He will go for removing of the affected parts. After removing, he should not throw those removed parts in his cropland. Where he has to throw and what he has to do? He has to burn the leaves and stem. Otherwise, he can dig some pit and after he has to put in the pit. He should cover with the soil. If you make these practices, there is no spreading the disease through the cropland. So many microorganisms will be affect the cropland. As we learnt in our previous class, virus, bacteria and these caterpillars, not only microorganisms, caterpillars, aphids, these are also affecting on the cropland. Sometimes we may observe that twisted and rolled leaves. These leaves are significant of the aphids are sucking those leaves. Because of the sucking of protoplasm, those leaves will become twisted. And one more thing, fungus attack on the cropland. Whenever fungal infection, if we observe that black, blue, yellow color leaves and the stem is also changed its color. Not only that, sometimes discoloration. Actually, it should be leaves should be in the green color, but because of some microbial activity, color is also discoloration will be happened due to viral infection. Some root infection. Not only microorganisms, Nana, few rodents like rats and rabbits. These are also damaged crops. Many birds also will be feed on the cropland. If microbial activity, these rodents or birds are few, it will not get any damage into the cropland. But whenever these population is more microorganisms are attacking on the cropland. If there is more rodents like rats and rabbits are more or sparrows are more, then only that is leads to less productivity. To avoid these all things, what we have to do, we can go for controlling methods. And sometimes all microorganisms and all these rodents and insects, butterflies, they may not cause damage. Sometimes it is also helpful for the cropland for the pollination purpose. If there is no insects, there is no pollination. These rats and rabbits also will be transport pollen grains from one plant to another plant. That is also leads to pollination. These are also helpful also sometimes. Here to control pest, what farmers are doing? They are spraying DDT. What is mean by DDT? Dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. They are spraying DDT and PHC, benzene hexachloride. They are also spraying chloride, indrin, endosulfan, etc. These all chemicals they are using to control pests.